A very good day, children. Now, today we will begin our new chapter, conjunctions. Okay? Now, let us get what you mean by conjunctions. Conjunctions are words that join two or many sentences. Like you don't have to write a full stop between two sentences, and if they are making sense by joining. Okay? Let us see the first example. Ganesh is watching TV. Govind is watching TV. Now, two people are doing the same thing. There are two sentences, so we can join them, isn't it? Ganesh and Govind are watching TV. So, and is a conjunction word that is joined, that is used to join two sentences having similar meanings. Like C number example C. I can read English. I can write English. So I can read and write English. Similar sentence. One person is doing same thing for English, isn't it? Let us go to example B. There is a choice. Is that boy fat? Is that boy thin? So, is that boy fat or thin? Or is used when you have a choice. When you have a choice. When you want to choose, you are confused what to do. Like suppose you go to some neighbor's house or your friend's house, they offer you tea, cold drink, coffee, no? So they might ask you, would you like to drink tea or coffee? So or is there, so you have a choice, no? Sometimes I might ask you, like IPL is going on, so can I ask you, do you like KKR or CSK? There is a choice, isn't it? So you write or when you have a choice. Now, when you have two opposite sentences, okay, when you have two opposite sentences, we use but. Go to example number D. He phoned the office. There was no reply. What does this mean? It means you have called up the office. This person has made a phone call to the office. Nobody is replying. Nobody picked up the phone. So what do you write? But, isn't it? Because if you make a phone call, generally somebody picks up, isn't it? But here this did not happen. He phoned the office, but there was no reply. So opposite, isn't it? Now, see number E. I trust him. He is honest. So here you can ask a question. Why? Why do you trust him? So you write because. I trust him because he is honest. Whenever you have two sentences and they are related and you can ask a question why, then you use because. Okay, let us take an example. We are not going to school. The coronavirus has spread immensely. So there are two sentences, but you can reason out, no, why you are not going to school. We are not going to school because the coronavirus has spread immensely. So that is a reason. When you have a reason, we write because. Okay. Now let us go to some more examples. Now see the example number A. I played on piano and she sang songs. And is there because two people are complimenting each other, isn't it? Compliment means going side by side, which look good. Okay. Go away or be quiet. Now there is a choice, isn't it? I said or is used for a choice. You have two choices. Either you go away or you remain silent and stay there. Number C. We ran fast but we missed the train. See here, there's opposite. Generally when you run fast, you don't miss the train, isn't it? But you have missed. Number D. The mice will play when the cat is away. There is a condition over there. Okay, cub. The mice will play when the cat is away. When you ask cub, okay, when you ask when, you write when. Or if, when you have a condition. Okay. We went home after we had finished our lesson. Now here there is a time. When will that time? After you finish your lesson. Now You will get the prize if you work hard. Again there is a condition, isn't it? तुम्हें प्राइज मिलेगा अगर तुमने हार्ड वर्क किया. सो अगर, व्हेन यू से, व्हेन योर आंसर इज अगर, कब मिलेगा तुम्हें प्राइज? जब मैं काम करूँगा. सो व्हेन द क्वेश्चन इज अगर, दैट यू गिव इफ. ओके, I believe him because he is truthful. Again there is a reason why you believe him, because he is truthful. You can ask a question, isn't it? Now again, we shall not go out as it is very hot. Again there is a reason. So when you have reasons, you can write because or as. Okay, now we will not go out. Why? Because very hot. Now he is very rich, yet he is not happy. Again this is two contradictory sentence. Contradictory means opposite and complementary means supporting each other. Remember, complementary means supporting and contradictory means not supporting. So let us see the reason. He is very rich, yet he is not happy. These are contradictory, opposite, isn't it? Because if people are rich, they should be happy, but he is not, so we write yet. Okay, these are contradictory. Though poor, the family is still happy. Again this is contradictory, means not matching. So though is also a contradictory sentence, opposite sentence. Okay, because though poor, the family is still happy. They are poor, how they are happy? Isn't it? This is contradictory, opposite, but still they are happy. Now, the dinner will be cold unless you work home fast. Again there is a condition. खाना ठंडा हो जाएगा, फटाफट चलो. Isn't it? अगर तुम फटाफट नहीं चले तो खाना ठंडा हो जाएगा. It means that. So again there is a condition, अगर, unless. I do not know whether he will join us. Again there is a question. Okay, when you have a question, doubtful question, then you write whether. Okay, it's doubting, you don't know whether that person will join or not. So I think this is understood and clear. Okay, so you should read it again and again. I have explained in Hindi also few words so that it is easier for you to understand. Okay, thank you.